A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we are with Vybz Kartel, yeah, man, the teacher, real boss himself, with Their Outta Love We Aren't, official music video. That one I just dropped on 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Records production. So let's jump in on it and see what the real boss have to say, man. Let's go, man. Let's get it.
You will see, are you alone? You alone.
Sit down.
You told me now one burner.
Yeah.
We gave up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about that. Cause you have me like a controller. No, you don't interest me. Boom, big, still not impress me.
From where they Vybz Kartel dropped some song, and I did say, them songs sound like a cinema sing to you know. See it?
You will see.
See it? The official.
You alone. You told me now
One burner. What?
We gave up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about that.
Them are the past, we not have to talk about that. We not have to talk. You turn me now one burner, you are the one in front of me now. You are the one, you me say. Me not say nobody else. You see me? So we not have to talk about the whole news. Whole news. Whole news.
You alone. You told me now one burner. We gave up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about that. Cause you have me like a controller. No, you don't interest me. Bumper big, still not impress me.
No matter how them shape, no matter how, some of them are shape alone them have. Some of them bump around, yes, that alone them have. Empty shells. That is what the artist is saying, not me. I can't tell us a son of me.
No, you don't interest me. Bumper big, still not impress me. Inside and out, you're still sexy. Cause you are my marriage and my honeymoon. My ex could never step in on your shoes, Louis leather.
Yo. Weird. How Kartel X them feel right now when them are hear them lyrics from the teacher? I sing to another girl. How Kartel X them feel now, bro? I don't know. Somebody tell me.
My ex could never step in on your shoes, Louis leather. It's giving forever. And I love the way I move, where you move. And you brighten my life like the summertime, keeping me warm in the wintertime. And you brighten my life like the summertime. Living my life, I'm well good. Bad man, girl, not like you.
Them attack a bag of things on social media. Kartel a cheat and see them the way can't see them out with Kartel. Them living them life and them well good. Lego them t-shirt. You don't tell that from in a comment. Lego me t-shirt. Now worry about when me I do over here. So me alright over here. So where are you? What are you doing? How much money did you make today? Don't compare. See them good. Where you there? See them or see them. That's what the G said, not me.
Living my life, I'm well good. Bad man, girl, not like you. One bag of line, them I tell you. No make them stress you. They're out of love, we aren't. They're out of love, we aren't. They're out of love, we aren't. They're out of love, I can't.
The man said that 4 times. To make it sink in them brain. They're out of love, we aren't. They're out of love, we aren't. And times 2 more. Yes, he might tell you straight. Them out of love. Nobody not love them. Nobody ever give them flowers on Valentine's Day. So how them attack? You out of love, you can't give this a relationship. You have no advice when you don't have one yourself. That's what the G said. When the man gone, the man cut gone. That's what the G said, not me.
They're out of love, we aren't. They're out of love, I can't. You told me in a real husband, and nobody can break this band. But hold me with a magic wand, and you hold me with a understanding.
Only with a magic one. And you hold me with the understanding. Yes, and that's right there. That's what the G talk about.
You turn me in a real husband. And nobody can break this band.
None.
But hold it with a magic wand. And you hold me with a understanding. I can't stop singing, cause I'm so happy.
I sing, the G literally I sing that one, yeah. Him not DJ. Him not rap, him not DJ. The G literally I put vocals to that one, yeah. Vocals. Vocals, cause it mean a lot.
I can't stop singing, cause I'm so happy. Say you're coming in my life for you and me wife. My ex could never step in on your shoes, Louis leather. It's giving forever. And I love the way you move, And you brighten my life like the summertime, keeping me warm in the wintertime. And you brighten my life like the summertime. I'm well good, bad man girl not like you. One bag of line them I tell you. No make them stress you.
No make them stress you.
The love we aren't. There are the love we aren't. There are the love we aren't. There are the love we aren't. Living my life I'm well good, bad man girl not like you. One bag of line them I tell you. No make them stress you. There are the love we aren't. There are the love we aren't. There are the love we aren't. There are the love.
No, I never rope them. Hey, hey. I'm telling you something. Let me notice. See them I get more used to the limelight. See them I get more used to the camera. See them I get more comfortable in our skin. Cause when see them first forward on the scene publicly, see them was shy. She was in her shell. She was secluded. Now she's out. She's coming out. Like not out, but she's more confident in front of the camera. Obviously, being with a person like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 so popular and famous, she have to try a match somewhat, but still keep that secluded side to her as well, because that is her personality. That is her. You understand? So big up yourself to them. You are doing what you are doing. Yes, they're out of love. You aren't. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Bomboclat. What more can I say? Like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. What you do to them? What you do to the ex them? The ex them are mad right now. What one? Eh? This is a very relatable song. You see me? All the people them chat bad pan people relationship, and stop it. Because you don't know what kind of relationship people them have. You understand? Me see what the negative comments about see them pan social media since see them forward pan the scene publicly. Oh no, stop it, bro. Like she live better than enough for no. Like no, stop it. Like no, stop it, please stop it. You see me? Most of not enough for no. Most of no. Yeah, majority of no. She live better than no. You see me? So you don't know if she happy with fair relationship with the teacher, who are we? You understand? Yeah. Big up Kartel. No or never. Big up yourself. Yes, man. No or never them I shoot the whole of Kartel video them. The video nice. The video clean. We just see two of them alone in the video. We don't see nobody else in the video. Nobody else in the video. It's because it's about those two. It's about them two. Yeah. So big up on yourself. Me like it. Gaza fans, what want to say? Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section now, please. And I'll catch you guys down there. Alright? Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.